This clip is from a viewer who lives in Australia, and it shows a particular problem that I see quite often, but not necessarily in the same situation as this. It usually catches my attention when there's a junction with a filter arrow, and when a filter arrow doesn't come on, people sit at the line even though their lights are on green. Have a look at this. When the lights change, the vehicle in front, towing the trailer, partially moves and then stops again. I think, to be honest, he doesn't commit and go into the middle of the junction because there are oncoming vehicles. So now all the traffic behind, including our camera, have missed a whole sequence of lights. Did anyone just get onto that red light jumper also? So obviously I've sped the clip up. What's the vehicle in front going to do this time? Same again. If he doesn't commit to going into the middle of the junction, we could be here all day. Which is exactly the same as junctions I'm familiar with, where the green filter arrow doesn't come on, but you still have a green light. Does he get it this time? It looked as though he wasn't going to, but thankfully he gets it. There may have been some encouragement from a beep of the horn, but he finally gets going. And what happens now is a classic example of what should go on. Even though our camera's in the middle and the lights change, he still has room to clear. Thanks a lot to all my viewers who send clips in from all around the world.